So guys, welcome to our channel once again. Today on our biology exam revision series, we are still on the topic organization, and today we'll learn about the lungs. So ensure to stay to the end of this video, as this is a very important and sensitive topic for your biology exam. Also, at the end of this video, you will get a biology exam practice question for you to test your knowledge on this lesson. So guys, the lungs are the major organs of respiration. They help us to get oxygen into the bloodstream, which is then supplied to the cells. They also help us to get rid of carbon dioxide from the bloodstream. The lungs are located in the thorax, that is, the upper part of the body within the chest region. They are also separated from the lower parts of the body by the diaphragm. The lungs are made up of spongy tissues, and they are surrounded by a membrane known as the pleural membrane. They are also protected by the rib cage. So the air that you breathe in passes through the trachea and then splits into two tubes known as bronchi. So each one of these bronchi is called a bronchus, and each bronchus enters one of the lungs. Each bronchi splits into progressively smaller tubes called bronchioles, and then the bronchioles finally end at small bags called alveoli. This is where gas exchange takes place. There are millions of these alveoli in the lungs, and they are surrounded by a network of blood capillaries. The blood passing next to the alveolus is containing more of carbon dioxide and less of oxygen, since it is returning from the rest of the body to the lungs. So since oxygen is in less concentration in the blood and then in high concentration in the alveolus, oxygen will diffuse from the alveoli into the blood, and then carbon dioxide, on the other hand, will diffuse from the blood where it is in high concentration to the alveoli where it is in low concentration, before it is then breathed out. At this point, the oxygen already obtained by the blood cells is now carried down to the cells where oxygen is in low concentration. So the oxygen will diffuse from the bloodstream where it is in high concentration into the cells where it is in low concentration, and then carbon dioxide produced by the cells will diffuse again from the cells where it is in high concentration to the blood where it is in low concentration. So this carbon dioxide will then be carried by the blood back to the lungs. So next, let us see how we can calculate for breathing rates in breaths per minute. So this is very important in your biology exam. So ensure to pay maximum attention to this calculation, although it is pretty simple, so you can easily go ahead and solve it out. So here we have the question. Bob takes 91 breaths in 7 minutes. Calculate his average breathing rate in breaths per minute. So here all we simply need to do is just divide 91 breaths by 7 minutes, and then we'll get the average breathing rate, which is 13 breaths per minute. Alright guys, so here is a biology exam revision question for you to test your knowledge on this lesson. So feel free to pause this video and try it out. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you are new to this channel, please ensure to join our Telegram channel using the link in the description of this video below to get instant updates and notifications for your exams. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends if this video was helpful. Also ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.